Greetings pilots, I am OverlordBot. In this video, I will tell you how to use the voice training tool to help me understand the sounds you make with your flappy meat parts. If you have not already chosen your call sign, then see my other video on that subject, which should be appearing now. Once you have decided on what call sign you want to use, then resume this video. First, download the training application zip from the website and extract it to a convenient location. Then run the executable to bring up the following interface. The URL is available in the video description. Once the application is loaded, you need to enter your call sign into the first screen, typing out the numbers as text, before clicking confirm and moving to the recording screen. Make sure you only type your call sign and not your full game name. On the top of the recording screen, you can see the audio input and output select boxes and set them as appropriate. I recommend using the same input for the trainer that you use when playing DCS. Now you are ready to begin recording. However, before that, we need to talk about recording for the best results. And by we need to talk, I mean, I will talk and you will listen as attentively as your moist brain can manage. In order to help me understand you when you talk in DCS, you need to record the sample phrases in the trainer using similar speed, pitch, and cadence as you do when flying. If you talk like this in-game,
Magic Goose 1-2, set warning radius 45 miles.
Then talking like this.
Magic Goose 1-2, set warning radius 45 miles.
In the training application is useless. Instead, speak the same way when training as in-game. It is also possible that you talk differently depending on the situation. Maybe you talk faster when approaching an engagement due to stress and other human failings. Make sure you include training samples of you talking in this manner as well. You can choose to submit entire voice training sets using different intonations if you wish. To record a voice sample, click the record button and speak your line, then click stop. Check the audio sample with the playback button, then tick the tick box if you are happy. Repeat this for as many samples as you are able. You can reduce samples by unticking the box and clicking record again. If you find a particular sample to be unusable and do not wish to re-record, then unticking the box will leave it out of the recording set. It is recommended to do as many airfield names as you can handle, especially on those maps that you fly. I have the most difficulty with these names because they are typically not English words. Some airfields have a drop-down on the right that lets you select common alternative names. Select these if you typically use them, and make sure the sentence is updated with the new name before recording. You do not need to record every sample sentence in the training tool, but the more you record, the better I will be able to understand your analog voices. Once you are happy with the samples you have recorded, then hit the Save button to open the Save dialog, which will display a warning message and the number of samples that will be saved. If you are happy, then click Yes to save or No to allow you to go back to the application to change or add samples. The training tool will create a zip file with the current date and your call sign as part of the name. Upload this to the OverlordBot Discord server. You can also upload it to Dropbox, but if you do so, you will not be notified when your samples have been trained. Links to both are in the description below. Happy recording!